Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Naugan, Sakarpur, MP. Students, today I am going to teach you direct and indirect narration, especially with modal auxiliary verbs. So, what is modal auxiliary verb? Modal auxiliary verbs perform two functions as a verb and expresses some other expressions also. For example, can. Can is used to express ability, and ability may be either mental or physical. So, example, I can teach English. So, here can is modal auxiliary verbs because it represents my mental ability and performs the function of a verb. See on board. Modal auxiliary verb shall present tense, here past tense, shall, should, and should is used generally, general advice or suggestion. Should, will, would, can, could, may, might, had to, has to, had to. Must for strong necessity, ought to for moral duty or moral obligation, need, necessity, they are used to. It is semi-modal. Semi means half. Modal auxiliary verb. So we have to see if these verbs are or is inside reported speech or double inverted commas. Now, first of all, we have to see tense of reporting speech. Tense of reporting speech. Tense of reporting speech. Number one, present tense. Present tense. Number two, future tense. Future tense. Number three, past tense. Past tense. As we know, in present tense or future tense, if there is reporting speech, then tense reported speech. Tense. Here, no change. No change. And here in past tense, changes. Changes. So if reporting speech is in present tense or future tense, then tense of the reported speech is not changed. But if reporting speech is in past tense, then it must be changed. Okay? I am taking one example. He said, comma, inverted comma, begin. It is reporting speech in past tense. Let's see, past tense. Past tense. Say. Say is present tense and SAID said is past tense. Present, here, said. It is clear. past. I shall, here shall, future tense, go Mumbai. I shall go Mumbai. Now, indirect narration. All of you see here, he said that I will change first person according to subject. So here he, that he would past tense, he would go Mumbai. Here, as we know, with first person pronoun I, we, shall is used, and with second person pronoun you and third person pronoun he, she, it, they, will is used, or any noun will is used. That's why with he, past tense of will, would is used. You can take any sentences in indirect narration beginning with modal auxiliary verb. See, said, comma, inverted comma begin, I can teach Spanish. I can teach Spanish. So, see all of you on board, it is reporting speech, it is reported speech. She said that, here I, first person pronoun, she will be in small letter, she, remember, she, here past tense said, past tense of can, she could teach Spanish. She could teach Spanish and full stop. So students, today I have taught you direct and indirect narration of modal auxiliary verb inside reported speech or double inverted commas. Thanks. See you tomorrow.